Happy New Year, everybody. Happy 2018. That was a long break. I like making videos. I like connecting with you guys. And to not do anything for a couple days, I was walking around pacing. But today we're going to get back to it. We're going to talk about what happened. What are the stocks? What's the market doing? What's affecting your retirement? And we'll get right into it with the sort of big news of the day, or at least a guy's attempt to steal the news of the day. Target being acquired by Amazon. It is not fact. This is not currently happening. This is simply a prediction by a tech analyst. His name was Gene Munster. And actually Munster, spelled M-U-N-S-T-E-R. That's pretty cool. So look, he made a prediction. He said that Amazon would buy Target in 2018. That sent shares of Target up. Let's take a look. I'll slide you over. This is Amazon. Amazon was up 1.67, but for other reasons. Target was higher by 3%, 3.5% on the day because of this news. Look, he made some quotes. He said that Target is the ideal offline partner for Amazon due to its shared demographic and its manageable but comprehensive store count. So let's break it down in layman terms. Shared demographic. Amazon wants to go after the mom, the family. They want that connection. The moms have the money. Everybody knows that. Target has spent many years coming after the mom. When you go in and you look at the pretty frames on the wall, the lamps that Target has, they did that because they know mom's spending the money. Well, Amazon wants that. They've made that public, so they thought, well, hey, this is a great thing. Maybe we could get, well, the analyst said maybe Target would be, or Amazon would be interested in buying Target. So that's what they mean by shared demographic. Manageable but comprehensive store count. That's what this means is Walmart has 12,000 stores. Target has 2,300 stores. So that's manageable. Walmart has a lot of stores. Everybody knows that Amazon wants to compete against Walmart. Well, 2,300 stores, classy stores, nice looking stores, might be a way to do that. Again, it's just a prediction. This is not fact. This is, you know, not currently happening. It is just a prediction, but it stole the headlines today. And look, everybody's jumping in. They're all excited at the thought of maybe Amazon buying Target. We'll see. They definitely have the money to do it, but let's go and take a look at some other stocks today. Another smart move was by a company called Weight Watchers. I know you've heard of Weight Watchers. They are so smart. First of all, the news today was that they enticed DJ Khaled to come over as their social media ambassador. Now, what that means is they gave DJ Khaled some shares and a board seat right next to Oprah Winfrey. So now he's a part of it. If you don't know, Oprah Winfrey, major shareholder in Weight Watchers, she is the brainchild behind the way this company gets out to the public. Let's not talk about what Weight Watchers does, but how they motivate people to buy shares and get interested. She's pretty much the brainchild behind it. Well, they brought in DJ Khaled. Here's the thing. It wasn't that they brought him in that causes this to be exciting. It's the fact that they do it at the beginning of the year when everyone's thinking that sort of weight loss thing. So they get free media attention by bringing in another guy who I looked him up. He's pretty overweight, so they'll probably use him in the commercials. I don't know if there's some give and take there, but he looks like the kind of guy that might want some Weight Watchers. So to me, the brilliance of what they did today was free publicity. Rather than have 5 million commercials on every minute on TV, they said how much to give DJ Khaled some money. Let's make that announcement and everybody will talk about it. It'll be great. So kudos to them. 8% gain on the day. Well done. And the stock's done well also. They kind of like that sneaky company that does well. Apple was up 1.8% today. The stock got another upgrade. Listen, the analyst that upgraded Apple today is a very popular one. He's with Piper Jaffray. That's how you say it. Jaffray. Jaffray. I don't know. It's not Jeffrey. It's Jaffray. So the guy at the analyst at this firm, very popular. When he does something, people take a listen to it. 1.8% for Apple today because the company said that iPhone sales will be the reason that they hit their $200 price target. They think the stock's going to $200. They wanted to reiterate that today. And look, from here until the next earnings cycle, there's nothing to talk about but iPhones. So when we mention Apple in the future, it's going to be iPhone sales, iPhone 10, and how people progress through their product lineup, moving up in products. Do they go for the big dollar target or do they go for just a cheaper, maybe last year's model, should I say. So Apple doing well today, but just know the news going forward is solely going to be on the iPhone sales. Disney up 4% on the day. This is a bigger stock here, something to pay attention to. 4% on the day. They got an earnings upgrade from Macquarie. You know, there's a lot of good news going on with Disney. They're making a lot of changes to their parks. I was just at the theme parks. It's like a war zone. They are building at Disney World, and I'd imagine at Disneyland as well. But the main reason is Star Wars. Star Wars became the #1 movie, the highest grossing movie of 2017. I don't think it was critics rated the #1 best movie. They just made the most amount of money, more money than all of us have. So they did really well, and that is Disney. That's about it. If you follow Bitcoin, I've made a promise I wouldn't comment too much on Bitcoin, but it was in the news, and that means something, right? If it's not speculation, it's in the news, I'll talk about it. Bitcoin, this is what you're looking at is Bitcoin futures. So you see they obviously sold off a little bit. They were up 3 1/3% today. Big name at Facebook is supposedly gobbling up as many shares as he can possibly buy. So, or as many Bitcoin as he can possibly buy. So I don't know, big news for Bitcoin. I don't know if that means anything going forward. Here's the thing, going into tomorrow, we have news. The world of news gets back on track here. We have manufacturing numbers, a very popular number, will move the markets. And we have the Fed meeting. They released the minutes of their meeting from the last announcement. Usually not too big of a deal. We pretty much know what they're thinking there. It's just a look at how many Fed members want to go left and how many want to go right. This is like the first time we get to look at stuff like that. That can be a market mover, but generally it's pretty calm. So hey, happy 2018. Those are the stocks that are moving your retirement accounts today. If you are interested in retirement accounts, or have one that you'd like for us to manage, go to jazzwealth.com, click Invest Now to get started. I will follow up with you personally, or if you just want to ask some questions, that's cool too. Click Chat with Jazz. You can ask your question or set up a phone call for a time that works for you. Again, happy 2018. I'm happy to be back, man. Just getting some stuff done here. So be sure to check out these couple videos you see up on the screen, or click the links to subscribe to our channel. That would be sweet. Talk to you guys soon.